Never. No, thank you.
So you meet
It's terrible.
meet your wife.
Also doesn't want children.
But no, I mean you meet your wife in college, university.
About that age. Yeah.
So where you meet your wife?
You won't believe this.
Why?
You won't believe it.
Yeah, I believe.
This is true. Online.
Online.
I don't believe.
Yeah.
Facebook?
Yes.
Yeah, we don't believe.
Yeah. True.
It's dangerous.
From the
It's okay so far.
Always
Yeah.
dangerous.
On
Facebook,
Facebook.
yes.
认识的。
True. Yes. She was in America and I was in Ireland. True.
So, now she is in Ireland.
Correct. Yes.
Terrible. Why you go to America?
666.
It's not terrorist.
Why you don't go to
I
America?
like Ireland.
And she like Ireland too?
Yes. Why is that so unbelievable?
So you have the same friend? No. You have the same friend? No.
No.
You just search.
Yes.
Oh my
Yes.
God.
Amazing story, yes.
Wow.
Amazing. And how long have you just in a relationship?
Maybe 10 years.
In a relationship?
Yes.
Wow.
Yeah.
And after 10 years you get married with her.
No, after 2 years. 2 plus 8.
2 plus 8.
2 plus 8.
So you get married 8 years.
Exactly, yes. 8 years ago.
I want to see terrible.
So
You're not romantic. That's the problem.
So
not romantic.
Yeah.
No.
But she come to Ireland and talk with you?
Yes.
After 10 years ago. No, 9 years ago.
Yes. Yes.
She came to
Yes.
Ireland.
You don't believe me.
Where did you get
I
married?
think maybe you should go to America to meet
I
her.
did for holiday. Yes.
Just a holiday. So you don't know a romantic too.
I'm a little romantic only.
I don't think so. You think
I just
Titanic
little.
is not very interesting. It's boring.
Better than you.
What?
Titanic is very boring, you think.
It is very boring.
You don't feel romantic.
Romantic.
It is very boring. Okay. One day you will understand.
No,
One day you will
I don't
understand.
The last one.
Yes,
question.
that last question, yes.
Yeah. Where you get married?
Where? In
Yeah.
America.
In America.
Yes.
Wow.
Why?
Howie.
America's a nice place, no?
Yeah.
Which
That's
place?
good. So that
I don't know if you know it. South Carolina?
you family. That means you and your mother probably go to America.
No, just me. Yeah.
So your parents, does your parents know you will get married?
They know, don't worry. They know.
Just you get married.
Yes.
With,
Yes.
Yeah.
Yes.
How many times on the party?
Of course. Her family was there.
But just you look very lonely.
No.
Lonely. You're not lonely.
No.
Why?
Baby in the future.
No, it's secret.
I'll tell you. They're dirty, smelly, noisy.
Noise?
No.
It means
No.
no fewer. It means
Yeah,
fewer.
No.
Fewer. Maybe it means you don't have money to pay that.
Also true.
Terrible.
That's 2 reasons.
Yeah.
Okay, you got your book now. What page are we on? I think you had some homework to do.
I don't think so.
You don't think so? Are you sure?
Yeah.
Not even a little homework?
Maybe they have, but I don't have.
Oh, okay, see. Let me see. You had some of this to do, wasn't it? Yeah? Yeah. You have the book there, yeah?
Steven, he don't have book.
Yeah.
Oh, okay. Can you share with Rogers and then after class?
Okay, no problem.
What? And then after class I'll print you one then. I'll borrow this for a minute. Well, Hang on just 1 sec, this is not working. Let me just fix it.
I think you studied IT in the university.
No, just maths. Just maths. Okay, we'll go to the next topic. We won't check the homework. I think it'd be best. Agreed? Yeah,
If you
agreed.
want.
No, we won't. Okay. So first, we'll just try and remember some vocabulary. Okay. No, don't look. Try to remember.
It's a new book. It's a new.
Okay. Does anybody remember the name of this? What are these called? Anyone remember?
Equation.
It's an equation. What type of equation?
Circle.
No. What type is it? No, begins with Q.
Q-U-A-D.
Yeah, Q-U-A-D. Quadratic equation. Oh, you don't remember? Okay, write this down again. This is an important word. So this is called quadratic. And what about the next one? Do you remember what this one's called? No, nobody remembers. No, not tree. Begins with C. Yeah? No, too big. Small word. Okay, this one's called a cubic equation. You forgot these. Okay, can you write them down again to try and remember? Yeah, if you can write. You forget so easily. You wrote this down? Did you?
Yeah.
Okay.
I'm fast.
And you forget fast also.
Yeah.
Yes.
Always. All the things fast.
Everything fast. Yes. Okay. Continue. Slower, but she remembers. Yeah. Okay. Continue. Yes. Yes? Alright. Now don't look, wait, don't look at your notes. I want to see if you remember. Do you remember what this is called? Oh. Something root, very good. What root?
Root.
No, not that one.
Mars.
Square root.
Square.
Yeah. What about this one? No. Anyone? Oh, cube root. Yeah. Okay, what's this one called?
Square.
Very good. Squared.
Thanks, God.
And this one? Cubed. And then this one?
Power.
Very good. Power 4. Okay, so at least you remember this. No, don't look. Try to remember. Okay. Where's my pen gone? What's this one called? Anybody? Yes? What does it say?
Fraction.
Very good. Fraction. What?
Fraction.
What's this one called? Begins with D. Decimal. happened last week? No, really, what happened? Where did all these words go? What were you doing with Dennis? Is Dennis making you work too hard?
So we're thinking about your marriage.
Okay, alright. Try to focus on the maths. Okay, continue. No, it's good, I promise. Continue?
Yeah.
Yep, okay. Alright, well, maybe you remember this one.
Percent.
Very good, percent, yes, yes. What about this one? Yeah, ratio. Oh yeah, what about this? Something like this. Alright, it can be 0. What's it? It's equation. What type of equation?
Slope or
No, the name of this type. Begins with L? Yeah? Go on, say it. No, say what
Linear.
you're so close, Linear.
linear.
It means like line.
Yeah.
Yeah. And Rogers, you said you had the name for this part, the M. What's
Yeah.
it called? Oh, no, don't tell me you don't remember. Does anyone remember?
Slope.
Yes, slope. And then the C.
Intercapt.
Try again.
Capt.
No,
Capt.
no.
The E.
Sept.
Capt.
Yeah. Okay. Let's see how much you remember. What's this called? Here and here.
Square.
No.
Point.
Yeah, but there's special points.
Point.
No, yes, but there's special points. What are they called?
Turning point.
No. Turning point is down here. These are called
Only
roots. And then, Rogers, this one is called turning point. This one is turning point. Yeah? Forgot so much. Okay, just one more word to do. I hope you remembered this one. Oh no, actually 2 words, sorry. When you go like this, look, ax squared plus bx plus c equals this plus this. What's this called? Going this way. What's the verb? Begins with an F. No? Factorize. And then going this way. Begins with an E.
Equalizement.
No. Expand. Oh. Okay, what about this one when you write it like this? Yes, what's it called? Complete in what?
Square.
Complete in the square.
Yes.
Yes. Who's going on to IFY? Who's doing business? You're doing business?
Yes.
And what are you doing in September?
Just onion. Just.
No, there's...
Just.
Well, what are you doing? What will you do in September?
September.
Yeah.
September. Language.
You're just doing English. Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah, okay. So you're business, English, who don't know? What are you doing? What are you doing? You're just English then, yeah?
Yes.
And then Twee, you're going to do business, yeah. And Honey, you're business, and you're okay. So lots of language people then. Like you said, only 2 for business then. Okay. So you're here to learn language, and you're doing a good job. So now you have me confused. Should I do more maths or should I do more language because you forgot these words? More maths, you think?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, I think so too. Yes, I agree. Okay. Well, we'll do a little more maths, a little more language. Now, next week actually, I have a special lesson for you next week. We'll do some physics next week actually. Yeah, does anyone know this word?
Medicine.
It's a subject, yeah. Do you know this subject in school?
In middle school.
Yeah. You have things like this in it?
Yeah.
It's
Terrible.
Ah, no, it's
It's
great.
very
It's
terrible.
great, it's great.
physical is like the apple.
Yep, that's the story. You know the story, don't you?
It's terrible.
You know the story, don't you? Yeah. Yeah. We'll do this next week because I think I'd like to do. We've been doing so much maths, and I keep promising a special lesson for you. So.
Where are we moving?
Huh?
Where we moving?
Moving?
Yes.
What do you mean moving? We're not moving. Just for next week.
But before you say you show that we are moving.
Ah, yes. I keep saying this, and this time I promise. Next week we'll do a video. Yes, I promise next week. The reason I didn't do it is because my other students have exams. I need to correct their exams, so I've been very busy. And then their results are bad, so it made me sad. So I'm finished with that. So next week we'll do a video, and I think you said you want to do one on space. Yeah, something like this. Space. Yeah. So I promise. Next week we'll do that. I promise. This week we'll do a little maths and a little language then, okay? Right, so don't look at your notes. What is this one called? What's this called? Oh, come on. Yeah, what type of equation? Yeah. Yeah, true. I want the 2. Quadratic equation. Okay, can you all just say that to try and remember? Quadratic equation. Yes. It's hard to say. Quadratic equation then. Yeah. It's okay? Quadratic equation. Yeah, okay. So what we will learn today is how to solve and sketch. So this is today's lesson. Okay, let's put this here. Can you write that down? This is what we'll do today. Solve and sketch. No, right. You got this? Okay. So what does this mean here? Solve. Solve was it? Yeah. Get the answer. And does anyone know this word? Sketch? Sketch? No, not change.
I don't know.
No? No one knows this word, sketch?
quilting.
No, 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 no. Sketch means draw.
Draw.
Yeah, draw. Yeah, can you write that down? And so this one means find the answer, and this one means draw. You know? Yeah? Okay, so our first example. Use a table to plot, that means draw, y equals x squared. Okay, can you write that? Use a table to draw y equals x squared. Yeah. Did you write the sentence? Yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Oh, not this. Okay, so if you want, you can make the table with me, please. And we'll do one more. One, two, three, four, five, six, seven, eight, nine. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4. Okay. So on the top is x and on the bottom is y. So if x is 0, what's y?
Yeah.
0.
And if x is 1, 1. And if x is 2,
4.
4, 3,
9.
9, yep. And then 4,
6.
16. Is okay?
Yeah.
Now, minus 1,
1.
1. Minus 2 is 4, and the same again. Okay. So if you were to draw this, oops, ugly. Okay, so I go here to 4, 2, 1, 3, 0. Minus 4, minus 2, minus, oh, so ugly, minus 3. And then up here is 16, 8, 4, and 12. So we have 0, 1, 1, 2, 4, 3, 9, 4, 16. And then the same here, 2, 4, 9, 16. What are these called? They're called points, very good. And what is this called? What's this called?
Carol.
Go on, yeah, say.
Carol.
Close. Curve.
Curve.
Curve. So this is called a curve. Okay. And what's this one called? This point at the bottom?
Offering.
Which point? Oh yes, yes, yes. This is the origin. But I mean the point that's at the bottom of the curve. This point here. Turning point, yeah. So it's also the turning point. Oh, so you remembered this word. Very good. Origin, yes. Okay, can you write this one down? And then we'll do a more difficult example. Try to make it beautiful, please. You drew it? Show me your picture. Okay. It's okay. Did you write X and Y on it?
Yeah.
Yeah?
Yes.
Okay. That's good. Did you write numbers?
No.
Okay. Now, when we make the graph, the picture, Do we do it like this? No. What's the problem with this?
8, 16.
Yeah, but what's the problem? Why is it bad?
What time?
Waste time.
Yeah.
Waste time. Takes a long time to do. Doesn't it?
Yeah.
Yeah. So we'll do it a different way next. Continue? No, not yet. You have Dennis for reading class, do you?
Yes.
I asked Dennis to do some space topics with you. Did you do anything about space with Dennis?
What's space?
I told Dennis I want to do a space video with you. So I asked him if he could do a space lesson with you, like a reading. He didn't do this. What did you do with Dennis to read?
Sorry.
No, before today.
One? Oh, yes.
Yeah. Huh? Dennis.
It's about car. What's car?
Cars? Ah, not interesting. Okay, continue now? Yes? Okay. Next now, let's see. Okay. Solve by factorizing x squared plus 14x plus 48 equals 0.
Zero.
Now, you remember this?
Yes.
Factorizing? So we have 2 like this. Plus or minus?
Minus. Plus.
Plus.
Thank you. Plus x and x. Now, who knows what numbers I need? 7 and...
2.
No. Not this.
No.
Not this.
8, 6.
8
6.
and 6. Yes?
No.
Yes.
Okay, good. Equals 0. Now, if I just go to the side here, A multiply B equals 0. If, so this is true if A equals 0 or B equals 0 or both of them equals 0.
Yes.
Yeah. So you could have A is 0 and B is not 0. B is 0 and A is not 0. Or maybe both are 0. So if I want 0, it means x plus 8 equals 0 or x plus 6 equals 0. So that means x equals minus 8 and x equals minus 6. Okay. So this is solve. And this way is using factorizing. But of course there are other ways to do it, right? This is just one way to do it. You probably learned this way in school. You remember this from school? Yeah. Okay. Let me give you one just to try yourself. Try let's. Do you want an easy one or a difficult one?
That's the easy one.
No, not too easy. Make it interesting. Yeah, this one. 15x squared plus 29x plus 8 equals 0. It's easy because there's no minus. But it's difficult because of the 15. Okay. Can you try this? Try this. Sure, yeah. Hey. I want English, Rogers. Yes? If you're going to be rude in English. Thank you. April. Is that English? Uh-huh. Maybe. English, please. Did you get an answer, April? No. It's difficult? Jocelyn, did you get an answer? Not yet. Jason, do you have an answer?
Yeah.
Is it right?
I think it's right.
Okay.
You want to think?
No, I trust you. Rogers? Okay. And Twee? No answer?
You still have answer?
No, I'm not thinking about it yet. Oh, April. You gave up? Impossible? Let's have a look. Let's see. Okay. So, at least it will be x plus and x plus. Okay? Now, I'm thinking, well, for 8, it can only be 1 and 8 or 2 and 4. 15 could be 1 and 15 or 3 and 5. 26, no, 8, 24. Yeah, I think it'd be 3 and a 5 and 8 and a 1 maybe? Is that right, maybe? 24 and 5, 20. Yeah, this is it. Equals 0. So we have 3x plus 1 equals 0. 5x plus 8 equals 0. 3x equals minus 1. 5x equals minus 8. x equals minus 1 over 3, or x equals minus 8 over 5. Did anybody get that? Jason? I did? Jocelyn? No? Twee? You too? No, you gave up. And Rogers?
Because I've used the wrong way to
Okay. Maybe we'll try another one then.
yeah.
Easier or more difficult? Maybe the same. Will we try something like 6x squared plus 25x plus 24 equals 0? Solve. Rogers? Yeah? Great. April? Great. Okay. Jason? No? Jocelyn? No? Okay. One more minute. You think it's wrong? I don't think so. Sorry, this looks unclear. This is 24, yeah?
In the middle is 25.
Yeah. Okay, so 24 is going to be 1 and 24. I don't think so. 2 and 12.
Yes.
And
And
8.
Is it 3 and 8?
Yeah.
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 That makes 24. And then 6, 1 and 6. The 6 should be here. 2 and 3?
20.
Where's the 2?
2.
2 and 3? Let's see, that's 9 and 16. 25. Very good. So what's the answer for x? X equals?
Minus 12 over 2.
Very good. Or?
Minus 12 over
Try again.
8. 8 over 3.
There you go. Okay. So that's one way to solve it. Let's learn another way to solve it. Okay, so let's see. Before we do it, I would like you to do this for me. Just to remind you. Can you try to complete the square from last week? Remember? Try to complete the square. See if you remember how to do it. Yeah. X plus 4 squared, and then minus 20 minus 16 is minus 36. What?
Yes.
No, he got the minus
Minus.
60.
That is
60.
okay. That is okay. Right, so this is okay. Yep. Now, we can do solve x squared plus 8x minus 20 by, I'll just write CTS, completing the square. So for example here, equals 0. Here, this is x plus 4 squared minus 36 equals 0. Is that okay? Yeah. So, what should I do next? What's next? I want the answer. What to do next?
X plus 4 squared equals 36.
Ah, yeah, but give me the verb. What do I do?
Move.
Move what?
36.
Minus 16.
On the right.
To the right, yes. So now you have x plus 4 squared equals 36. Now what do I do next?
X plus
Verb.
Read.
Square root.
Square root everything.
Yeah.
So you put square root here and square root here. So here is x plus 4. But what is here?
6.
Maybe.
6 or minus 6.
Plus or minus 6.
Yes.
Plus.
Or minus.
Yes.
Next, I move the 4 to the right. And I have two answers. X equals 2 if I use plus, or
10.
if I use minus,
10.
minus 10. Did you learn how to do it in school this way?
Yes.
Yeah?
Yes.
Yeah? So this way is called by completing the square. It's another way to do it. Let me give you one to try. Solve, let's see. X squared plus 16x plus 28 equals 0 by completing the square. Okay, try this one. Honey, you got an answer? Great. Two answers, yes? Three answers. Excellent. Answer? Oh, you don't need a calculator, do you, Rogers?
Maybe I need.
Maybe you need a calculator. Over here, we don't need a calculator. Jocelyn!
Wake up.
Not wake up, no more Chinese. That's it, no more. Or problem. Rogers, are you finished?
Yeah.
Is it right?
Maybe.
Maybe? Okay.
I think it's
Okay, we'll see. April, are you finished? Continue. We'll look at it. Okay. This is x plus 8 squared plus, minus,
16.
well, hang on, let me do it. 64, 28, 36 equal 0. So you have x plus 8 squared equals 36. X plus 8 equals plus or minus 6. X equals minus 8 plus or minus 6 equals minus 14. Well, I'll do the plus first. Minus 8 plus 6 minus 2 or 14. They're the two answers. Did you get that, Rogers? Then you were right. April? Yep. Okay. Great. Now, let's sketch y equals x squared plus 16x plus 28. Okay? Can you see? Look. So, I'll draw it better. So now I want to draw it. So the good news is, I already have the roots. What are the roots? Minus 2 and minus 14. These are the roots. Yeah? Now, where does it cross the y-axis?
Put the answer x in the...
Very good. Put the x as 0. And what's the y? 28. Lastly, I can also get the turning point. If we go back here, look here. What's the turning point? Do you remember this? What is the minimum? When x equals minus 8, what's the y? No? Minus 36. Do you remember this is the minimum, the turning point? You make this 0, the answer is minus 36. So here is minus 8 and this is minus 36 for here. So you have 1, 2, 3, 4 points. So I like doing it this way. This is the best way to do it because you get 1, 2, 3, 4 points to draw. Yeah? But when we do it the other way, oh, it's gone. You have 2 points and also 1 point. So you only have 3. But I like this way because you can get this point as well. What's this point called? Turning point. It also has another name. Do you remember the other name for it? It begins with V.
Vertex.
Vertex. Yeah. Okay. I want you to do the same thing. I want you to draw. And on your picture, your graph, I want this point, the roots, and the turning point. Do you understand? I want all the same points. So I want you to try for this one. Sketch y equals x squared plus 12x minus 45. Ugh. Okay, try to draw this. Dennis replied. He said, "Tell them I'm not paid enough to clean up after me." Dennis replied. He said he's not paid enough to clean. Calculator? No, put it down. Try not to use the calculator. Be more like your brother.
He always does that.
Yeah, maybe.
Yeah, I want to see that picture.
My one.
Yeah. And this features question.
That's it. That was Chinese, wasn't it?
I think this is
Good.
number
This
is
is
little.
Chinese.
No.
I say this number is a little big.
But you said in Chinese.
Different. Difficult.
No different. I Chinese means is the.
But no Chinese. Zero Chinese.
Yeah.
Zero. Maybe I need to move you. Too much Chinese with Jason, who never speaks Chinese. Me. Maybe you could sit beside me. Yeah. No Chinese. Move one seat over, Jocelyn. Sit beside Twee. Great. Sit beside Twee. Hmm? Oh. Yep. Yep. Move. Why do you look confused? You know what I mean?
I don't know.
Ah. Your bag?
Yeah.
Oh, your bag.
Yeah.
Okay. Yeah. And then you sit here.
Why?
Because there's no Chinese.
I come in there sometimes more. That's
Next time, for today, you can sit here.
no, I just keep here.
You stay there?
Yeah. Because there. Maybe putting.
Okay, no problem. Then I can move Jason then. Jason, move one seat over.
Get out.
Yeah,
Get out.
get out.
No Chinese, you know.
Move! Move! One more.
This is the last class for Jason.
Is it?
Yes, and I will
No.
never see.
Oh, okay.
You don't
Yeah.
know?
And what a way to end. Then I guess next week, no more Chinese with Jason.
Yes, nothing.
No, I will just radio for you and Chinese.
Thanks. All right.
Yeah.
It's your last class, yeah? Sit back. Go back. Now, no more Chinese, okay?
Yes,
Okay. Right, finished?
finished.
Finished? April? Honey? Can I see? Okay. Tui? Finished? Yes. Good, good. Jason? Oh, you're just back. Rogers? Rogers?
Yeah.
Finished?
Yes.
Show me. Let's see.
Wait more.
Oh, come on. Alright, let's do the answer. So, first it'll be x plus 6 squared minus 81
Yeah.
equals 0.
Yes,
X plus 6 squared equals 81. X plus 6 equals plus or minus 9. Okay, so then we have minus 6 plus or minus 9. So that is 3 or minus 15. Yeah?
yes,
Okay, so let's draw. So that's 3 minus 15. And then here, when x is 0, what's y? Minus
45.
minus 45. So down here is minus 45. And then also, I want the turning point. So if you look here, at this one, what's the turning point? X is minus 6 and y is
Minus
1.
1. So here is minus 6 and all the way down here is minus 81. What?
You are wrong.
I am wrong. Something went wrong. No, hang on. It's right. Really?
It's not turn right point.
Yeah, it's like this.
Yeah.
Ah.
Yeah.
Yeah. Alright. Ugly, ugly, ugly. There. I mean, you had the same graph I saw. Yeah? Okay. Now, try this one. I want you to solve by completing the square. Let's see. Y equals x squared plus 10x minus, no, sorry. Yeah, no, not 100. No. 101. Try this one. Oh no, that's too big. Well, not that. A little smaller. Sorry, 26.
Y is 0.
Yeah, y is 0. Yeah. Yeah, so I want you to do this one. Yes, now, there's a problem, isn't there? What's the problem? Yes, okay, well, what's the problem? There's a problem with this.
And draw.
You got an answer?
Yeah.
Are you sure?
because the x minus 5 square is equal to minus 1. Because
Yeah, what's the problem? Yeah.
this is wrong.
What's the problem? Why is it wrong?
Because it's not true. Because
What's not true?
it's square always the minus, not it's the plus, not minus.
That's it. That's it. So, here you have x plus 5 squared plus 1 equals 0. So this is x plus 5 squared equals minus 1. Now here's the problem. Because you have x plus 5 equals square root minus 1. And this is no good. No good. As Jason said, this must be positive. So this is good, but this is bad. You can't do this. Yeah. So this means there are no roots. So that means the graph, is it like this? No. What's it like if it has no roots?
Yes.
Like this? No? Like what? Give me a word.
Line.
No, not a line. It's like this. It's above.
Not in where.
It's still, let's see, if you go back here, you still have minus 5 and 1. So here is the turning point. But it's like this.
Not
It does not cross. Yeah, what's this cross? X. Yeah, correct, yeah. This point here is minus 5, 1, and this point here is 26. So this one has no roots. Yeah? Have you seen this type before? Have you seen this before in school? I think you have, yeah? Yeah? Okay, can you write this one down? So this is an interesting one. So, if it has no roots, do you think it's possible to do this, to factorize? Can you do this? What do you think?
The graph is here.
Yeah. So do you think you can do this?
No.
No.
No point.
Yeah, there's no roots, so you can't do this either. Yeah? Yes? You look like you're thinking about something. Okay, so when you write this down, I'll give you one more question and then we'll do something new. Do you have this? Okay, I want you to draw this. Oh, good. Okay, just draw that for me. Yeah? Okay, let's have a look. So firstly it's x plus 4. Yeah? Plus, no, plus or minus, plus 9 equals 0. So you can see what happens here. Again, no roots. But you can see the turning point. What's the turning point? Minus 4 and 9. Here. And what else can we know? 25. Oh. Minus 4, 9, 25. So that's here. And that's here. So your graph should look like this. That's what you got? Yeah? Justin? Okay? Yeah. Alright, can I go down? Right, so like I said, because next week we're going to do some physics, I think we'll do a little bit of vocabulary for physics. Just a little bit, okay? So firstly, what is physics? So you told me earlier the story of the apple. Do you know what story she's talking about with the apple? You know this apple story? Does anyone else know the apple story? Who's in the apple story? Which person? No, don't look it up. Don't look.
I don't know.
No, don't look. I don't care. I know you can look it up.
Joe.
No, not John.
Newton.
Newton. Correct.
Newton.
Yes, Newton. Yeah.
Joe.
So the story is, there's the tree, and here is Newton, and then one day you have the apple, and then what happens?
Newton died.
No, that's not how the story goes. What happens to the apple?
Down.
Falls, hits his head, and then he has an idea. And what's his idea that he has when the apple hits his head?
Everything will put down in the down.
Not go up? No, not go up.
Everything is go down.
His idea is everything
Go down.
falls down. So what is this called?
We know its name in Chinese.
Try for English.
Everything have a.
I shall tell you. This is called gravity. Everything falls down. Yeah. Everybody, I think, learns this story in school. Yes. No dictionary, Jason. Falls up, falls down, falls up, yeah. Yeah, nothing falls up though. Everything falls down. Falls down and falls up, yeah. Yeah, now, I give you an example of falls up. Look, I don't know, maybe this happens to some people. You're walking and then you fall up the stairs. So this is falls up. And of course you can fall down. Yeah? Falls up and falls down. So Newton, his idea was
Universe.
gravity. No, put the phone away. Put the phone away. Put it away. No, put the phone away. I don't want to see it. No, away. Thank you. Okay. So this is gravity. Okay. So just to be very clear, This is Earth, yeah. Everything falls to the middle. Yeah. So we have one word already. Gravity. Do we know any other words with physics?
Truth. Truth. Truth.
Which word is this?
T-H-R-O-W.
T-H.
No, that means it's true.
Throwing.
No, that means true.
True? I don't know.
This is big ball and small ball and
Ah, yes. And they dropped the two balls
yes, and the
same time. Very good. Yeah. So that's also part of gravity. Yeah. Yeah. No, you're right. So that one is called free falling. So you drop the two balls, and they both hit the ground at the same time.
Yes, the point is one is heavy and one is
Very good. One is heavy and one is light, but they hit the ground at the same time. Very good. Yeah. So that's also part of gravity. Yeah. Do we know other words for physics? In physics?
F equal ma.
Yep. So what's the F called? So Jason said F equals ma. What's the F? Do you know the name? No? What about this word? Force. Do you know this word? Force? Yeah. Force? Force.
No, this is not a word.
Force is a word, yeah. Do you know this word? You know force? So force is like this, look. If I push, this is called a force. If I push, this is a force. Okay? Like a tower, yeah. So this falls, a force pulls it down. Or if I push, a force pushes. You understand? Yeah? Or if I throw something, don't worry, a force pushes it. Do you understand force? Yeah? Now, what about the M? Does anyone know what the M is?
Meat.
No?
White.
Yeah, but it's another word for it. You measure it in kg, don't you?
Yes.
Yeah. What's it called?
Yes.
Begins with M? No?
Right.
Mass. It also is lightweight. Yeah. You had another word, honey. Meter. You know meter? What else do we have? Kilogram and kilometer, yeah. Any other words for physics?
S.
S?
W.
W?
What?
Watt, yeah, okay, yeah, W, yeah. Huh? R-A-C-E.
the car go faster and
Yep, very good. I'll tell you the word. So, I don't know if anyone knows this word, but you have the car and it's at rest. It's not moving, and then the car is moving very fast. So it goes from slow to fast. There's a word for this. In English,
Yes.
from slow to fast, this is called acceleration.
Acceleration.
I'll write it over here. Where's my picture? Is this the word you meant? No. Acceleration. That's the A. Any other words you know in physics? Anything in physics. Anything in physics. Okay, fine. Watts. Anything else?
Kilowatts.
Kilowatts, okay. Anything else? Anything in
G.
physics.
G.
G, there's a. That's to do with gravity as well. Small g and big G, yeah?
J.
Okay, but give me words. Words.
I don't know how to speak that.
Power. That's a word, yeah? What else? Electricity, very good, yeah? Yeah, electricity. What else? Come on, so many words. What do you call that? Light, yeah? Yeah, light.
Yeah, like.
Yeah.
Power.
Power, we have power, yeah? What else? Yeah, okay, air, fine, yeah, air.
How to say?
Meter square.
Meter square, fine, okay, meter square. What's that called? That's called area.
How to say fire power?
G.
Yeah, just heat. Heat energy. Yeah, heat. What else? What else? What else? What else? What about this one? Let me draw the picture. You know this one?
Yeah.
No, not space. Very, very small.
It's not the.
No, not the space. It's very small.
Oh. We don't know how to speak it in English.
You know this? What's this called?
Yeah. I'm speaking.
Atom. Yeah, this is an atom. You know it? Very, very small.
Yeah.
Oh, you definitely can't see. Yes. No dictionary. Put it away. Thank you. And then let's do just a little bit for space. We'll do just a little bit for space. So what words do we know about space? I'll start you.
Spaceship.
Very good. Sun, spaceship,
Moon.
moon.
Star.
Very good. Stars, yeah. Planet. What else? I'll give you a clue. You live here.
Ireland.
Not Ireland, no. Earth. Earth.
Group constituting system.
What system?
Group,
Are you-
Constellation.
Power station.
Means
GPS.
GPS.
group.
No, just nobody says that. No, everyone says GPS. GPS.
Point.
Wait, hang on. Did you do a lesson recently about space?
Point.
Point? No. Space.
Television.
Hmm?
Saturator.
No, go on. Quality. What? I don't know what you mean.
Television.
It's star heavy
Quality. Density? Density? No?
Amazing point.
Television.
No. Space. Space.
Amazing point.
Have you got a book about space? Give me. Let me see. Show me. Very good. Where'd you get this? Who gave you this? Yes.
No.
Space. Very good. Now, hang on. Do you know the names of the planets?
I know the name.
No. Let's see who knows them. Okay, so in the middle you have first the sun. And then you have the first planet. Do you know its name?
Water.
No. I'll tell you if you don't know. Mercury. Next one is Venus. Next one you should know.
Earth.
Very good. Earth. Next one I think you might know. What's after Earth? Red planet. The next one.
Water star.
No. No, I think you know this one. Mars. After Mars is a very big planet.
Moon star.
No. Jupiter. Jupiter. After no. Put the phone down. No. Write it down. Now after Jupiter. Very good. It has a ring, doesn't it? Saturn. And that last planet is a small blue planet, and it's not water planet. It's called Neptune. Okay. Yes, after the sea. Yeah. So maybe in Chinese this is called water planet or something.
The
Yeah.
other one is 8, no 7.
No, it's 8, not 9. The last one is gone. Yeah. True, not a planet anymore. Yes.
Kill me, my book.
Well, that's great. It's great. Okay, can you write these down? I like it. I like it.
Pluto is gone.
It's gone. It's not a planet anymore. True.
Why? Because
Too small.
it's
Too small. Yeah. Good. Did you write these down?
Yes.
Yes? So now we'll see if you remembered them.
So it's only 7 or 8.
Oh, I missed one. Oh, embarrassing. There's one here, sorry. There's one here, sorry. Uranus. Let me just make sure I got that. Uranus. Yeah.
Venus is the last.
No, it's between these. I forgot it. Because I'm hungry and I'm thinking about lunch. No, okay, thank you.
Your university professor will be very sad.
Yeah. No, true.
You will be very sad.
Okay, so we have Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. So I'm going to see if you can remember them. Look at them. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Because I'm going to test you now. Have a look at them. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Yes?
Maybe.
I know, are these all new words?
Yes.
That's right.
Except Earth and Sun.
Mars.
I thought maybe you heard Mars before, no?
Movie.
Yeah, there's a movie about Mars. Yeah.
Mars.
Yeah. Will we see if you remember? Okay, close the notes. Close, yeah?
Yes.
We'll try and remember them together.
Just she said yes.
No, we'll see. Yeah. Let's see. Now, so a lot of people try to remember them by trying to remember the letter. So this is M, B, E, M, J, S, U, N. Yeah? So, to make it a little easier, I'll keep the letters on the screen. Okay? So if I just go to the right. A little easier. Okay, so together, we'll do this part together. The M, what's M, the first one? Mercury. And then V is Venus. E is Earth, M is Mars, J is Jupiter, S is Saturn, U is Uranus, and N is Neptune. So how about we do it in two halves? We'll look at these first, okay? M, Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Okay? Mercury, Venus, Earth, and Mars. Go ahead, Joe. April, what are the four? First four, yeah? Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars. Very good. Okay. Go ahead.
Mars.
Mercury.
Oh, Mercury.
Yep.
Earth.
No, you missed one. Go back.
Uh,
Begins with V. Venus.
Venus.
Earth.
Mars.
Mars.
Mercury.
Yes.
Venus.
Yes.
Venus.
Yes.
Earth. Mars.
Mars. Good. Jonathan. Mercury. Yep.
Earth and Mars.
Good. Twee, do you think you can? Good. Good. Perfect. And Jason?
Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars.
Good. So they're the first four. Okay, let's look at the next four. What was J? Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. More difficult. Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, and Neptune. Will we do it two, maybe? Jupiter and Saturn. They're the big ones. Jupiter and Saturn. Okay, so now we have 6. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn. Okay, I'll leave the letters here. Why don't you try honey? Start here. Yep. 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 Saturn. Okay. Start here.
Which one?
This one.
Mercury,
Mercury,
Venus,
Venus,
Earth,
Mars,
Jupiter,
Jupiter,
Saturn.
Saturn. Good. Ham? Mercury. Yep. Venus. Yep.
Earth,
Yes.
Mercury,
Mars. Yes. Jupiter. Yes. Yes. Saturn. Do you want to try, Rogers?
I don't.
I'll go ahead. Mercury.
Mercury. Venus.
Yes.
Earth.
Yes.
Mercury.
Yes. Mars.
Mars. Jupiter.
Yes.
Jupiter.
Jupiter. And here? Saturn.
Saturn, yeah.
Okay, very good. Twee, do you want to try? Mercury? Yep. Venus, yep. 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 Yes. Yes. Saturn, yes. Okay, now let's add in the last two. What's this one? Uranus? And here? Neptune. Okay. Mercury, Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter, Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Okay, go ahead, Rogers.
Which one?
Everything.
That's
Mercury.
Mercury, Venus,
Yep.
Earth,
Yes.
Mars,
Yes.
Jupiter,
Jupiter. Yes. Saturn,
Saturn,
Uranus,
Neptune.
Neptune. Good. Go ahead. Next. Mercury,
Mercury, Venus, Earth,
Mars,
Mars, Jupiter, Saturn,
Saturn, yes.
and
Uranus,
Uranus,
yep.
and
Neptune. Very good. Jason,
Master.
Mercury.
Oh, sorry.
Everybody has trouble with this one. Mercury. Mercury. Okay, Jason, go ahead.
Mercury.
Yep.
Venus, Earth, Mars, Jupiter,
Saturn,
Saturn, Neptune,
Uranus,
Uranus, Neptune.
Neptune. Good. Jocelyn? Mercury,
Mercury, Venus, is Mars, Jupiter,
Saturn, Uranus, Neptune. Good. Okay, Twee, do you want to try? Yes? Yes? Mars, yep. Yep. Saturn, yes. Yes. Uranus. And last one is Neptune. Yeah. Very good. Go ahead. Honey. Yes. 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 Very good. And lastly. Yes. Mercury. Yes. 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 Jupiter. Yep. Yes. Yes. Good. Wait, before you go, hang on. I want to test to see if somebody can do it without any help. Who do you think did the best job? Maybe Honey? Will we see if Honey can remember them? I think she did the best job. Okay. Right, shh. No helping. Go ahead, Honey. Let's see if you can remember them. Start again? Yeah. First one. Mercury. Yeah. Yes. 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 Uranus. Yes. Anyone else think they remember them all? No?
Yes.
Oh, go ahead, Jason. Yeah, go ahead, Jason. Yeah, go ahead, yeah. Give me them all. Mercury.
Mercury,
Yes.
Venus,
Yes.
Earth,
Yeah.
Mars,
Yeah.
Jupiter,
Yeah.
Saturn,
Yes. Uranus.
Uranus, and
Neptune. Okay. Next week, I will test to see who remembers. And if you remember, I'll have a small prize for you.
Right.
Small prize.
Right.
Mm.
For example.
For example, some chocolate.
One day holiday.
Yeah. On Monday.
Friday.
This Monday. One day holiday. That's my surprise. Yeah. That's right. No school on Monday.
Can you see
My photo. No, here's a beautiful photo.
It's like the mat and
Oh, that. This. But you don't need to take a photo. This is going to be on YouTube.
I want remember them and the next one I can.
Oh, okay. But you know this video is on YouTube, don't you? You know what I mean? If you go to youtube.com, yeah. Did you know this? This is my channel.
YouTube.
This is my channel. If you want to watch these videos. Yeah?
Yeah.
This, look. This lesson is recorded. So if you go to YouTube, you can watch all of this. And you can hear all of this.
No.
Yeah. Yeah? What?
No.
Yeah?
No. It's maybe
Yeah?
story difficult.
This is difficult?
No. It's knowledge is difficult. Yes.
This is. That's okay.
It's knowledge. Maybe about something so much not.
What technology?
This?
No, this here is my channel.
Oh, you.
My channel. All my videos are here.
Oh,
Yeah.
Sorry.
Yeah. You can check it on your phone. Okay, we'll close this.
Wait.